Hey there! Big goals fail for one boring reason: we set them and then lose track. This is the 90-day goal planner and accountability system, built around the idea that 90 days is long enough to make real progress and short enough to stay focused. Let me walk you through it. We start on the Start Here tab, which explains how the 90-day sprint works and the handful of things to fill in first so you're set up for success from day one. The dashboard is your progress hub. It shows how far into the sprint you are, how your goals are tracking, and your recent scores, all in one glance. Sprint Setup is where you define this 90-day chapter, your theme, your dates, and what winning looks like. So the whole sprint has a clear direction. The Goals tab is where you set the specific goals for these 90 days, each one measurable so you always know whether you're on track. Milestones break those goals into checkpoints along the way, so a big goal becomes a series of small, doable wins. Weekly commitments is where you decide what you'll actually do each week to move the needle. Goals happen through weekly action, and this is where you plan it. The weekly scorecard is the heart of the accountability system. Each week you score how you did, and that honest number keeps you from drifting. Daily non-negotiables are the small actions you commit to every single day. Check them off, and the consistency compounds. The accountability tab helps you stay honest, whether that's a partner, a check-in rhythm, or your own review. The obstacles tab is where you name what's likely to get in your way and plan around it in advance instead of being surprised. The mid-sprint review is your halfway checkpoint, a chance to see what's working, what isn't, and adjust while there's still time. The retrospective is your end-of-sprint reflection, what you learned and what you'd carry forward. And the sprint archive keeps a record of every sprint so you can look back and see how far you've come. That's the whole system. A proven structure to actually finish what you start in one file that works in both Excel and Google.